First time of learning. Hi, good morning. This is Solveig from Craving Outdoors YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I will be installing these hood struts. This secret compartment. Wow.
Do it again, honey.
This company, Hansshow, they do aftermarket parts for, they used to be, I guess, mostly Tesla, but now they are branching into Toyota parts as well. And they reached out to us and they asked us if we would review their product for them and told us that we could pick any two products and then just do a video on them. You know, it is the holiday season and I think those are great gift ideas. So it came in this little packet and it comes with a couple of bolts that we are not gonna need because we have them. Driver's side lower brackets, and you tell them apart because this one has a little ding-a-ling. And then the upper brackets here, and then the two struts, and this makes it easier to lift and lower the hood, which I'm sure that I will like. The tools we need for this install is we need a screwdriver, a couple of 12mm wrenches. Here are the steps to installing these hood struts. So first I will be installing the driver's side lower bracket, and that goes on this screw right here. So I pull the screw out, I pop the bracket in and screw it back in place, and I think it attaches something like this. Then I will go and attach the passenger side bracket that has this little knob in here. It's a little different for the for our 4Runner from the regular gas ones, but the gas cars just don't have this thing right here.
That's the coolant reservoir for the hybrid system.
Yeah.
Or the regular non-hybrid doesn't have that, so this whole thing doesn't exist.
So a little different for us. So this little bracket, but what we need to do is we of course need to pull out the screw, and then it'll go behind, and there's the little hole back here somewhere that this knobbin will pop into and slide into place, and then we put the screw back in, so it's going to be behind here. Then I will install the driver's side upper bracket, and that's very straightforward. Same thing for the passenger side. Just screw off, pop it in place, and screw it back in, and then it'll be the magic of putting these struts in. All right, so let's get on with me actually doing it. I need to use this wrench because, you know, first I attempted this one and there's no space. What's up? Okay, so lefty loosey. We'll see if I'm doing it right. Lefty is this way. Nope. I'll get it one of these days. Practice makes perfect or something like that. I think it's loose, and now it's not dropping the screw because that would be a nightmare to find. So now I'm gonna put the part and find the hole. Here's the hole. Oh. Alright. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are like numb. Okay. Found it. Alright. Tight as this girl can go. Alright, so this one is in there, tight as I could go. Okay, sorry, gotta get the hair out of my way. It's... Okay.
Always good auto prep, getting the hair out of the way.
Yep. Lefty. How the heck? Nope. Why do I always start the wrong way? I should just assume that I'm doing it wrong and change it. Okay. Trying not to lose it. Oh. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to push this out. Oh, I see the little spot.
Yeah.
Popsicle. Okay. Oh.
There we go.
Okay, wow, it popped in. So now it's in. And then I just gotta get this. Wait, where's my screw? Oh, yeah. Gotta get the screw back in. Oh, it fits. So exciting. It's annoying. Oh, there we go. You know, all these years I never knew how to properly use this. It's so easy. All right. I think this is as much as it's gonna go. I put all my force into it. Okay. All right. So now, gotta pop the sucker in. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. All right, popping the next one in. Ooh, almost dropped the screw there. Oh, okay. All right, now I got it. All right, gotta get my wrench. I think I have it. I don't know. Wow, I did it the first time. I'm learning. Ugh. Okay. Now for the last step, I'm going to install the struts. So I need to lift these little clips up, oops, without injuring myself. So just putting the flathead screwdriver in and just lifting a little bit, and that gets it. And same thing for the bottom one. Okay, so now that's opened up these little locks in here. There we go, and that's clipped in place. And then what we need to do is we need to lift the hood to fit this bracket here, because there's no way that I have the strength to compress the pump thingy here. You hold this up. Okay, a little, there we go. Oh, it's in.
It's in now.
And now I am going to pop this on. Oh, it worked. Overall, an easy install, but if I can install this thing, I think anybody's capable of doing that. And now we just have to see how it works. It's staying up, so that's good. Oh my God, that's so easy. Okay. Wow.
Do it again, honey.
Ta-da! Installed by Mom. So I've installed the hood struts, and now on to the next thing that we got from Hansshow. It's a secret compartment. It came in this box. You know, this is the compartment. It's very simple, and then it came with this alcohol pad to prep the surface for the double-sided tape. So, and then I gotta take the double-sided tape off. There we go. All right, so it goes in just like that. All right, that was simple enough. There we go. We have a little secret compartment. And then done. It was super simple install. You know, it is the holiday season, and I think those are great gift ideas. So check out their website, and we have a discount code that we'll put a link in the comment section, and so you can go and check it out and hopefully get a discount. All right. Happy trails and happy holidays.